All right, wildlife, here we are, day 3 of our assignment, Wildlife Laws. Again, hopefully we made a copy of the document, added our name to the title. For day 1, we looked at some wildlife laws, acts, or amendments that have helped wildlife be conserved within our nation. Filled out some information about those. And then day 2, we helped raise awareness for those same acts that we collected the information for by creating bookmarks, so hopefully you have that part done as well. Right now I'm going to explain day 3 of our assignment so you understand that. So I'm going to read through it and then hopefully add some little information throughout it, I guess. So for day 3 assignment, now that we have covered a variety of topics related to wildlife issues, events, plans, and laws, so that stretches back all the way through like last week even, let's understand how all of that information comes together. While laws can be great for protecting certain species, they can also have adverse effects on other areas. Read the articles on wolf management in Minnesota and the price of Minnesota wolves to see how protective laws on wolves impact survival rates on agricultural animals. So I'll just kind of briefly touch. This won't be enough to get you through your assignment, I guess, but essentially what you're going to read about is how the Endangered Species Act and other, I guess, conservation acts protect wolves within our nation. That includes Minnesota, obviously. And what's happening in some of these is you'll find that wolves also, in turn, will kill agricultural animals in your state of Minnesota, and that can be pretty costly. So the state is actually refunding a lot of, or was, I don't know quite if they still are, but was giving farmers back a lot of money to pay for that, because you can't go on wolf hunts because of the Endangered Species Act, but like also how do you have an income if your wildlife isn't protected, or your agricultural animals aren't protected either. So you'll see some controversy with those, and that's not just with this law. You'll see that actually if you were to investigate a lot of laws, that there might be some overlap or some, I guess, information that may not have been looked at fully from both sides. So we're going to help you get through this critical thinking piece so that you realize, maybe not everything that goes on is a great thing. I would love to say, like, yeah, we're protecting our wildlife. That's awesome. But obviously there are going to be some adverse effects on that. So we're just trying to help you see those kinds of things. After reading the information, we're going to have you write an opinion article on your viewpoint of the issue. So if you've ever seen like a letter to the editor for a newspaper, or just like a general opinion article, like here's my stance on this and this is why I feel this, that's what we're going to be sharing. So your article should show that you read the information in the articles, not just what I told you. Obviously you should be sharing a little more information than that because there is a lot of information in them. You're going to connect it with the current events information from previous lessons from last week. We're going to have you connect the laws discussed above, name specific ones that it connects to, or one that it does, where you stand on the controversial issue. So what is your opinion of this matter? Your recommendation on how or if we should manage the wolf population in Minnesota and or protect our agricultural practices. So which way do you think we should go, and which way do you stand on this opinion? Include other facts about the situation not shared in the other articles that helped you form your opinion. So you might have to do a little research on this, but I think it'll help you form your opinions and make them really strong. We want your opinion article to be well structured with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Hopefully that should be the easy part. And then, of course, we're going to have it be at least half a page or 20 lines of writing. If you have all of the components that we asked of you up above, that should be really easy. We're asking that you put it into Times New Roman size 11 font with standard margins, so that way everyone has the same size of their opinion article. And include your write-up below this assignment once you have completed all 3 assignments, and attach all your proof of work onto this document. You can turn your copy of this document into the appropriate Friday form. Again, let us know if you have any questions about this assignment or any of the previous days. Hope you all do great, and good luck.